any shade of pink pipe cleaners to make this flamingo, but I think it looks best with the brightest pink that you can find. For this project, you will need 6 pink pipe cleaners, a small piece of white and black pipe cleaner, fingernail clippers, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. We'll start by making the head and the basic body foundation. So fold one of the pipe cleaners in half and then twist the two sides together. Make the head by starting at about the 2-inch point of your coiled pipe cleaner and twist a full circle around. Bend the extra end into the beak, and then form the basic shape of the flamingo body, making a long neck with a scoop at the bottom, curved up on top, and then down at the end, like so. To fill out the flamingo's body, hold a pipe cleaner at the base of the neck, and then begin coiling it, one coil right next to the other, all the way down the body. Stop when you get just to the end of the tail. We want to leave a nice point there, but then bring the pipe cleaner back and around to fill out the middle portion of the body. So you basically want it to look like a croissant, skinny on the ends and fuller in the middle. Now do the same thing with 2 more pipe cleaners, again focusing on making the middle of the body the fuller part. To make the legs, first clip off 2 1/2-inch pieces of one of the remaining pipe cleaners. Then thread the longer piece through a bottom coil in the center of the flamingo's body. Fold it in half in the middle and twist it around once or twice so that they stay in place. Now we're going to make a little loop in the middle of each leg to make the knee joint the same way that you made the head. So grab it in the middle and just circle it around. Do the same thing on the other side. Now bend up the end of each pipe cleaner to form a foot. Hold one of the smaller pieces up against the foot at the bend and wrap it around so that you end up with 3 toes. Do the same thing for the other side. To make the wings, thread the last pipe cleaner through one of the front coils on the body. Make sure it's evenly spaced, and then begin coiling up the end in an oval shape. So fold over about 1/4 of an inch and then follow that coil to make an oblong wing. You want to point the wing toward the back, so bend it so it goes up a little bit and then toward the tail end. And then do the same thing for the other side. You'll have to do a little adjusting to get the wings just in the right spot, but be patient and you'll get there. Place the small piece of white pipe cleaner right where the beak meets the head. Twist it around once. We're just adding a little accent to the beak, and clip it off as close as you can. Now do the same thing with the piece of black pipe cleaner. Start right up against the white stripe. Wrap it around once or twice to hide the pink end. And then you're going to do a really tight coil down into a sharp point. Cut off the extra with the fingernail clippers. The last step is to glue on the googly eyes. Use a generous amount of thick white craft glue and glue one on each side of the head near the top. When the glue is completely dry, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.